Hello, I'm David Finlayson with Chesapeake Technology, back with another tip for using SonarWiz more efficiently. SonarWiz provides a large number of signal processing, display, and navigation options. In large projects with dozens or even hundreds of track lines, it's impractical to individually set all these options for each file in the project. Did you know that SonarWiz provides an easy way to copy options from a model file into the remaining files in the project? This ensures that all the files in your project have exactly the same settings applied, and it can save you a lot of time over individually checking them all. So here's how it works. So first you start with a model file, and I'm just going to pick the first one in this project here, line 002. So the first thing we want to do is apply a layback. So we'll turn the layback on, cable algorithm will be %, and the cable out is 100%. Then we'll go to the gain settings. Yeah, let's save this, make sure it gets saved. Then we go to gain settings and let's apply EGN, nadir filter, and the D-stripe filter. And then hit save again. Okay, so now we've set up our model file the way we want, and you can see SonarWiz is down here busy chomping away at that. But let's say we had 100 files in this project. We don't want to go through each one of those files and check all those same boxes again. So what we want to do is copy the settings out of line 2 into all the remaining files in the project. Now the way you do that is you select the file, let's select it, right click, and then down here in the right click menu, the context menu, you see this Make Others Like This option. So click that button, and this dialog here allows us to copy settings. Now the first thing you see up here at the top is the reference line, and again this is line 02. So we're going to copy the settings out of line 02 into all of the other files that we select down here. So the first option is to select which settings we're going to apply, and you can either do everything. If you click this box, it checks everything, or you can go down and individually select only the particular option that you want to copy, and it leaves all the others off. As a helpful aid, it will tell you what the current settings are for line 002. For example, here it shows that user gain control is off, but EGN is on. So we're going to copy EGN, we're going to copy the nadir filter, and we're going to copy D-stripe, and over here we're going to copy the layback settings. All the other settings we're going to leave alone in these files. So if you had done some custom stuff on those, they'll be left alone. Only the ones that we check here will be copied. Now the final step is to say which files we're going to modify. And again, you can check this box and it'll do everything in the project, or you can be more selective and just individually check the boxes on or off that you want to copy the settings for. We want to do them all. When you're ready, you click OK, and SonarWiz copies those settings and starts applying them. Now you can see that they've actually been copied. So for example, here we've got the three EGN, nadir, and D-stripe for our model file. If we select another file here, they stay the same. They've been applied. And SonarWiz starts chomping away at it. So if you didn't know how to do this before, how to copy file or settings from one model file into all of the others in your project, now you do. If you'd like to learn more about SonarWiz, or you'd like to see more videos like this, please visit our website at www.chesapeaketech.com. Thanks for watching.